Level 10, Proficiency. The Ant and the Grasshopper. During the golden days of summer, the ant labored with tireless determination. With foresight and patience, he carried grain after grain to his humble nest, securing enough for the cruel season ahead. The grasshopper, in contrast, filled the air with music, careless laughter, and idle play. Mocking the ant, he cried, "Why burden yourself with endless toil when the world offers so much joy?" The ant, calm and wise, replied, "I labor now because winter will not provide." When the first frost came, the earth lay silent, covered in snow, and no food could be found. The ant sat in warmth, nourished by his preparations. The grasshopper, starving and trembling, begged for help. But the lesson was clear: diligence and foresight ensure survival, while idleness and carelessness bring ruin.